color.
Doesn't look like I expected it to look.
No, I expected it to be a little brighter, honestly.
Yeah. I'm just wondering if we're not supposed to spray this over silver.
I don't know. We'll find out.
You do know we're just spraying a spoiler, right?
Yeah. I wish I had a non-kink hose. It's too kinky for me. Yeah.
It almost looks factory. Like, it almost looks like the factory color.
If you notice, it's actually spraying smooth with it diluted.
Yeah.
Now we're white. So I know I'm getting it towards you. So you might as well stay right there. I gotta do this side.
You're missing this whole front edge.
I know. I'm coming around. Just trying not to get wrapped up in it.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. We'll start there. That's it.
Fading echoes call my name. Lost in time, but not the same. Chasing shadows, chasing dreams. Running through these memories. And I feel it pulling me under. Waves crash down, lost in the wonder. Close my eyes, let it take flight. Falling deeper into light. Euphoric energy. Take me higher through the sky. Lift me up where stars collide. Feel the moment, feel the sound. Let it carry.
I can see it. I can see the flakes in it now.
Breathing slowly, open wide. Feel the rush, the endless tide. Golden colors.
I get the back edge, and then, yeah.
Lost in rhythm, lost in light. feel it pulling me under. Waves crash down, lost in the wonder. Close my eyes, let it take flight, falling deeper into light. Take me higher through the sky, lift me up where stars collide. Feel the moment, feel the sound, let it carry, don't look down.
Lost in rhythm.
I mean, I can't really see. The camera, I don't think, can see any flake in it, but there's hardly any there, to be honest with you. So the whole point of them saying this is molten red metallic, bullshit. This is PR4 red with little sparkles, micro sparkles thrown in it. Shine your light, because my light on my phone's not. Oh, yeah, there it is.
It's picking up. You have to turn yours off, or your light off. So whatever you do, don't drop your phone.
Lost in light.
Oh, yeah, you can really see the sparkles after the clear.
Mm-hmm.